distinction is awarded to the St. Michael College of Curaga Women's Volleyball Team. May I request the SK Kagawad to please. For the best middle blocker, we have Miss Janelle Tispo from Agusan National High School.
Kagawad! We also request Kapitan Kap. Moving forward for individual awards, we have Best Devon Rivera. For the best opposite hitter, may I request Mr. Ivo Awa. For the best middle blocker, we have Christian John Apos. For our best libero, we have Mr. Jake Guzman. For the most valuable player, we have Masi Colsal. There we have it, our individual awardees for the Interparag Volleyball League. Kagawad sa umuntos. Yakap. For our first placers, we have Team Agostinians. Dali, Kagawad! Michael John Tabanao. And Cristilio Adria. Arnil Carol, you're one of the medical five. Mr. Bernard Luma. Also have Mr. April John Sampayan. Senior Medical Five, we have Mr. R.D. Oral. For the most valuable player, he will receive a certificate, a medal, and a cash prize of 500 pesos sponsored by Gagawad Benrique. Congratulations, Mr. R. Gagawad Benrique, of course, the sponsor. Greetings and graces. The presence of our SK, Barangay Gagawad of SK Gagawad from Purok 5. For the first placer, they will receive a certificate, a cash prize of for the champions of the junior.
Ito na naman tayo bago simula. Humingan ng malalim, alisin ang kaba. Tapos na ang kahapon, wala na yan bago. Wala na mga araw, dapat yan ang bago. Patulong mo sa panibagong hapon. May paparating na bagong araw. Pwede bang nakunin o pwede bang sa mayan?
We also have to complete our medical five. We have Mr. Jomar Ligres.
Alisin ang kaba. Tapos na ang kahapon, pwede na yan tapon. Wala na mga araw, dapat yan ang bago. Patulong
The most valuable player, he will also receive a 500 pesos cash from from Gagawad Ramon CEO. We have Mr. Requesting Gagawad